kommer från www.idrottshallen.nu. Kostar mellan 6 och 10 000 kronor. I 3 olika längder. Det finns 8 meter, 10 meter, 12 meter. Så man kan köra igång.
I found some better sounds no one's ever heard. I wish I had a better voice that sang some better words. I wish I found some chords in an order that is new. I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now it's just that.
Att ni tittar på den här videon och vi hoppas verkligen att ni gillar det.
Så hörs vi nästa.
Hej då!